Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna see how to make money by just clicking or watching videos, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make money by just clicking or watching video or ads on your mobile phone or internet, guys. And it's available worldwide, no matter where you're from. And it's PayPal money, guys. And it's legitimate way to make money, guys. Okay, guys, let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online and tips and tricks about YouTube and Instagram. If you don't subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. Let's any further do, let's go, guys. The first website we're gonna see is called vad.ojo.com, guys. It's like a weird sound. I leave a link below to go to this website, guys. This is not affiliate link anymore. This is the normal link because this website are look like a weird domain name, guys, but it's legitimate way to make money, guys. It's not be any scammy. I researched for you guys and many people are talking about this video, guys, so I put a video you can to make money, guys, and it's available both Android and iOS, guys. As you seen, guys, it's available Android and Google Play Store, guys. If you add a phone, everybody has a phone, install this app and get paid by just watching or clicking ads, guys. Go to vadojo.com or I leave a link below, guys. It's not affiliate link as I told earlier. Click the link and go, guys, and watch till end, guys. I show another two websites look like this and you can combine together and make little bits more money even without any other survey website, guys. Let's check this website how it's work and how you can make money, guys. This is almost 1 trillion. I don't know what's it's about, maybe 19 million or 19 trillion, guys, and you can get up to $20, guys. This is the advertisement page, guys. Come over this website, click paid to click ads, guys. It's automatically take you to our page, guys, where you can make money by just watching or clicking the video ads, guys, or normal ads, whatever it may be. This is the dashboard or look like, guys. This is ad display. This is ads look like, guys. Just you can see, guys, $0.005, guys. It's easy money, guys. Just took a 30 seconds on 5 seconds, guys. 0.01, guys. You can easily just watch and click, guys. Easily money make, guys. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, guys. I think everybody has a PayPal account. If you don't, go to paypal.com and create your account, guys. It's also available worldwide. Some of the country not available PayPal. It doesn't matter, guys. Sorry for that. Go watch my another video and make some tons of money with my help, guys. This is the first website, guys. Do you see, guys? Almost as I told earlier, guys, 30 million users almost here, guys, and user online almost 25,000, guys. It's legitimate way to make money, guys. It's available worldwide, guys, and it's been here of many years, guys. So it's legit way to make money, guys. It's not any scammy like this. It's legit way to you can make money, guys. And we can see, guys, if you want come here, come here vadojo.com and click sign up, guys. It's automatically take you to the sign up page and just some put little information, guys. Username, password, confirm password, email and referral. If you have a referral link, put a referral link, guys. I don't give any my referral link because some people store. You just put your referral link and promote your own product and get make money as yourself. It's not like that, guys. I leave a link without any referral link, guys. Click the link and get to sign up, guys, because this domain is weird, like, guys. vad.ojo.com. It's like a weird, guys. It's hard to pronounce and hard to type on is the Chrome or whatever it may be browser, guys. I leave link and just click and go sign up and get some money, guys. Just click capture entry and click agreement entry and register, guys, or you can continue with Facebook or Google, guys. It's a normal simple stuff, guys. I highly recommend put your email, your PayPal email, guys, because some of the misunderstanding will happen, guys. Put your PayPal email or you can easily put another email, guys, but I highly recommend put a PayPal email, guys. And the next website, as I told earlier, is similar to this one, and I show another two website, guys. It's also similar to this one, as I told earlier. You can combine together and make good amount of money with this, guys, just watching a video and completing little more service, not a survey, guys. Watching videos, clicking ads, guys. The next website we're gonna see is bugsinside.com, guys. This website dashboard look like a old school, but it's legitimate way to make money, guys. It's available worldwide, guys. It's a minimum withdraw is $2, guys. I don't know what's withdraw amount this is. It's maybe depending on your how much you're clicking, maybe $10 or $10, $1, guys. But this one is $2, guys. It's highly paid, guys, compared to this, guys. Ojo.com bucks paid is highly paid, that paid website, guys, compared to the Ojo.com, because it's been here almost many years, guys. You see, guys, 0.10 cents, guys. Easily minimum payment, as I told you earlier, $2, guys. And you can pay via PayZ, Add Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, some other scale, Visa, Bitcoin. Lots of offer available here, guys. You can withdraw many in way, guys, just to get paid, just clicking ads, guys. Just it took every 10 seconds, guys. You can get 10 cents or 5 cents or 1 cent just every 10 seconds, guys. You can do over and over again and get paid good amount of money for your side hustle, guys. It's not make you rich anymore, it's just a side hustle, guys. You can make little more money just for your Starbucks coffee or whatever it may be, just a side hustle, guys. You can make $100 per month or $100 a week, guys. Just a little money, guys. If you want to make big money, go to my channel and watch all of the video. I show how to make money in various different way, guys. And as I told you earlier, I go on the website, it's also similar to this one, guys. Come to box inside and click register button. It's like a simple process, guys. Just you put your email process and password and where are you from, like this, guys, and click sign up, guys. It's easy, guys. I don't know many people are showing, but I don't waste your time, guys. I go another website, guys. As I told you, just to put your email, confirm your currency and payment method. Click here payment method, guys. Choose PayPal, guys. And as I told you earlier, but just to put your login email as your PayPal email, guys, because some of the company are not allow you to put different email for different thing, guys. Just to put your PayPal email and put your as a login email, guys. As I told you earlier, I show the third website is called Heed.U, guys. Heed.U, guys. This is the website, guys. It's not like a legitimate, but it's legitimate way to make money, guys. It's been here around 2012, guys. Almost 10 years. As almost I don't know, almost 8 years, guys. Almost been 8 years, guys. It's been here. It's almost paid out 87,000, guys. $80,000, guys. Just to come over this website, click yen. It automatically took you to a yen, guys. As I told you earlier, guys, it's a simple way, guys. Just to click ads and get paid, guys. I don't pull up too long way to this video, guys. Just to click ads and get paid, guys. This is the company sponsor to make some small tasks, guys. Redeem one ads, personally.ly, AdSense Media, offer to you, minute staff, ClickWall, PT, and many more, guys. And this is how it's work, guys. Earn commission when you're clicking ads or watching ads, guys, and get reward every time you follow purchase, guys. It's not a purchase, just clicking ads, and get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill, guys. And minimum withdrawal is $1, guys. Bucks inside is $2, guys, and this one is $1, guys. It's easily you can get $1, guys, just in 10 minutes or 1 hour of work. 1 hour not is much time, guys. It's took about 30 minutes to get a $1, guys. Just clicking over and over again and get paid easily, guys. Just come over this website and click join now, guys. It automatically take you to the registration page where you can register your, put your email address, put your username, email, repeat password, repeat email, password, repeat password, first name, last name, gender, country, guys. Easy, guys. And as I told you earlier, combine these three and we can make good amount of money with this, guys. This is the box inside, guys. This is highest paid, guys, because it's been here almost many years, guys. It's the highest paid box inside, and it's ojo.com. It's a weird website. SP also highest, guys. It's look like a professional website, so you can make good amount of money with this, guys. Ojo.com, guys. I leave a link all of this website, guys. Click the link and go sign up, guys. As I told you earlier, this is not any affiliate link, guys, just a link of the URL. You can get sign up and make some good amount of money with, guys. And what about this three website? It's only send your money via PayPal, guys. This one send you via Bitcoin, and this one also send you via Bitcoin. If you had a Bitcoin, you can get via Bitcoin, guys. But in this is Hedio, it's only send via PayPal Pay near skill, guys. You must need PayPal account, guys. If you don't PayPal account, I think everybody has a PayPal account, guys. You can either get PayPal account or get Bitcoin, guys. It's no matter. Go to this three website, guys, and make some good amount of money with this, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make good amount of money. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. I catch you in the next video. Make money online. Peace.